Sophia. What grade did you get today?
I got a B+. Oh, it's okay. Why aren't you happy?
I'm scared to go home. Is your mother very strict?
Not really, but I'm afraid she'll be disappointed.
But you study harder than before. I tried my best, but it's not enough. You should tell her you tried your best. I hope she understands.
I believe your mom will understand. Yeah, thank you, Ami. Mom.
Yes, dear. Come in. What's wrong?
This is my test. Let me see. I'm sorry, Mom.
Wait. Look at me.
Yes. Huh?
I can see you tried harder than before.
You're not angry with me?
No. I care about how you study and how hard you try.
I studied more, but I was afraid you would be sad.
I'm not sad. I'm proud of you. You didn't give up, and you showed me your test. That's brave.
Thank you, Mom.
Let's review it together so you can do better next time. I'm always with you.
Yes, Mom. Mom, are you really not angry with me?
No, dear. I can see you tried, and that's enough for me.
Thanks, Mom. I promise I will study harder.
I believe you. Step by step is okay.
Oh.
Now tell me, what do you want to eat tonight?
I want to eat your food. Anything is fine.
Come on, have you decided? What do you want to eat tonight?
I like pizza.
Pizza? We haven't made it together for a long time.
Then, should we buy the ingredients? Mom? Yes.
Let's walk to the supermarket together.
Okay. I'll get an umbrella for you.
Good idea. Let's go.
Yes, Mom.
Why did you stop, dear?
I think those shirts are very cute. Oh. Do you like them?
Yes, just looking is okay.
Come on, let's go in and have a look. Really, Mom?
Hello. Are you looking for clothes for your child?
Yes, for my daughter, about her age.
Please look at this one.
Mom, I like this shirt.
Oh, it looks perfect on you. If you like it, you can try it on. Please let her try this one, her size. Yes, the fitting room is over there. How do you feel?
It feels comfortable.
I think it looks very nice on you. Do you have other colors? Yes, we have pink and white. Which color do you like?
I like pink.
Okay, let's take the pink one. Please wrap this one for me.
Yes, I'll do it now.
Excuse me,
How much is it?
it's $150. That's it? Oh, $150? Yes, that's right. Okay, I'll take it. I will pay by card. Please insert your card.
Sure.
It's all done. Thank you so much. Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Ready to go to the supermarket?
Yes, Mom, let's go. That was close. Come closer, or you'll get wet. Do you like rainy weather? No, I don't like rain. Walk slowly. The road is slippery. Okay. Is the supermarket closed, Mom? Yes, it's close. Just a little more. Yay!
Excuse me. Can I leave my umbrella here?
Yes, of course.
Can I leave this bag here too?
Yes. Please take this number.
Thank you.
Here is your number.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Whoa!
Okay, let's go shopping.
Yes, Mom. Mom! What should we buy first, Mom?
Pizza flour. Please take 1 pack.
Cheese.
Right, which one do you like?
This one.
Okay, 1 pack is enough, followed by a woman's warm voice replying. The girl.
What else do we need? Sausage.
Yes, sausage. Remember to take a small pack.
Okay.
Are we missing anything, Mom?
Missing anything, Mom? We still need tomato sauce.
Oh, right. Where is it?
Here it is.
Do you want to add anything else?
No. This is the one. I want to add mushrooms. Sure. Pizza with mushrooms is better.
Is that all, Mom?
Yes. Good job. You remembered everything.
Oh, I just remembered. We need a few more things.
Okay. What do we need? Dish soap. We are almost out at home. This one, Mom? Yes. Put it in the cart.
Anything else, Mom?
Laundry detergent.
The one we usually use?
Yes. Take a medium bottle.
Okay. That is everything. We're all done.
Yay!
Yeah.
Mom, are we done shopping? Yes. Now we wait in line. Hello. Please put your items here.
The total is $80.
Oh, okay.
I will pay by card. Hello. I'd like to get my umbrella and bag, please.
Sure. May I see your number?
Here you are.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
I'm worried, Mom. Is our house okay?
Oh, no. I think I forgot to lock the door.
I'm scared. What if there is a thief?
Stay calm. Let's go home quickly. I think everything is okay.
I don't like that news, Mom.
Don't worry. I'm here. Let's go home fast.
Mom, it's so dark.
Yes. Stay close to me.
Mom, why is it so dark?
The power is out.
But why?
I'm not sure, sweetie.
I'm really scared.
Stay calm. I think the whole area has no power.
Mom.
I hear something inside. I feel something is not right, too. Is there someone in our house? Stay here. Don't go inside.
Please don't go in alone, Mom.
It's okay. I'm here with you. Hold my hand.
Mom.
Shh. Listen to me. Whatever happens, stay close to me, okay? Okay.
Sophia, stay very close to me.
Yes. I'm very scared, Mom.
Hello, police speaking.
Hello. I want to report something. I think someone is in my house. Where are you now? It's Area B, New York City, number 245. There is no power in this area.
Mom, will they come?
Yes. Let's wait here. It's okay.
Hold my hand, Mom.
Yes. I'm here.
Mom.
It's okay, dear. The police are here.
Hello? Did you report a stranger in the house?
Yes. There was a power cut, and I heard a noise inside. Oh! The power is back! Wait.
You're home already?
Ah! Marcus? Oh my goodness, you scared me!
It's me. What's wrong?
I thought there was a thief. There was no power, so I was very worried.
I came home early. The door was not locked, so I went in. So it's a family member. Everything is fine.
I'm very sorry. Thank you so much.
It's okay. Have a good night.
Dad, I was so scared.
I'm sorry, sweetheart. I didn't mean to scare you.
Next time, please send me a message.
Yes, it's my fault.
Are we okay now, Mom?
Yes, we're okay. Let's go inside.
Where's the pizza? I'm starving! We're making pizza tonight, Dad. Yep, we're making it together. We are making pizza!
Yes, together.
You know, Sophia, Dad? Yes, Mom?
Your grades are important, but not everything.
Really, Mom? Huh? I care about your happiness. I'm happy now.
I'm happy now.
Being with my family matters most.
I agree.
I like this time together. Me too. Thank you for understanding me, Mom.
Thank you for trying.
Happiness at home is the best grade.
I like that grade.